The history of fashion trends is a vivid tapestry woven through the ages, reflecting the cultural shifts, social movements, and artistic expressions of each era. From the opulence of royal garments in medieval times to the rebellious spirit of the 1960s, fashion serves as a mirror to society and its evolving ideals. In the Middle Ages, clothing signified social status, with the wealthy adorned in luxurious fabrics, while the common folk donned simpler garments. The elaborate designs were often handcrafted, showcasing the artistry and craftsmanship of the period. As we transition into the Renaissance, we see a blossoming of creativity and individuality. Fashion took center stage with intricate designs, vibrant colors, and an exciting blend of fabrics. The wealthy began to use clothing as a form of self-expression, making bold statements through their attire. Portraits from this era capture the elegance of ruffled collars, corseted waists, and sumptuous fabrics, providing a glimpse into the lives of those who wielded power. The introduction of tailoring and the concept of bespoke clothing laid the foundation for future fashion revolutions. The Industrial Revolution ushered in a new epoch for fashion, characterized by mass production and accessibility. With innovations like the sewing machine and the rise of department stores, fashion became democratized, allowing the middle class to access styles once reserved for the elite. The 20th century brought about seismic shifts in fashion. Styles evolved rapidly, influenced by historical events and cultural movements. The flapper dresses of the 1920s embodied the spirit of liberation, while the conservative styles of the 1950s reflected post-war sentiments and societal norms. As we entered the modern era, fashion trends began to fragment and diversify, driven by individualism and global influences. The late 20th century saw the emergence of streetwear and athleisure, breaking traditional boundaries and embracing comfort and personal style. Today, fashion is increasingly about sustainability and ethical practices, with a growing awareness of environmental impacts guiding consumer choices. The juxtaposition of vintage pieces with contemporary designs showcases a cyclic nature of trends where history repeats in a contemporary context, emphasizing that fashion is indeed timeless.